right,
downhill slope, you can't go.
Yep.
Oh. Thank you.
You're welcome. You got it?
I don't know yet. Let me get on. Let me get on it first. Let me put it in gear first. Man.
You okay, bud? I'm sorry.
Oh, it's okay.
Are you sure?
Yeah.
It didn't hurt anything?
No. Just my pride.
No, it's my pride. I'm the one that fucked
We've all
up.
done it, buddy.
Don't go on the Dragon's Tail.
Just my pride.
Don't go on the Dragon's Tail. There's an Allied van line that's stuck on it.
Oh, you're kidding.
Okay.
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 That's what I was coming here to tell the people. I didn't know.
Thank you.
Okay, my man. I'm sorry, man.
That's all right.
You okay? You sure?
Yeah.
Didn't hurt your bike or anything?
No, it's fine.
Okay.
It's fine. Try this again.
There she goes.
Just had to reset the ECU.